Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to create a Facebook Ads Manager account for 2025. If you're a business owner or marketer looking to boost your online presence, this is the tool you need. Facebook Ads Manager lets you create, manage, and track your ad campaigns with ease, and setting it up is simpler than you think. By the end of this video, you'll have your account ready to go. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create it, it's free and quick. Once you're in, head over to the top menu and click on the drop-down arrow next to your profile picture. From there, select Ads Manager. If it's your first time, you might see a prompt to create an account. Click on that. Next, you'll be guided through a setup wizard. Start by entering your business details, like your business name, website, and the currency you want to use for ads. This is crucial because it helps Facebook tailor recommendations to your needs. Don't worry if you're not sure about everything, you can always edit later. Now, for the fun part, choose your advertising objective. Do you want to drive traffic to your website, boost sales, or increase brand awareness? Select the one that matches your goals. After that, you'll need to add payment information. Facebook offers various options, like credit cards or PayPal, so pick what's convenient for you. Once that's done, verify your account. This might involve a quick email confirmation or linking your business page. And just like that, you're in. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's user-friendly with tabs for campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Remember, as we head into 2025, Facebook might update their interface, so keep an eye on any changes. Now that you have your Ads Manager set up, you're ready to start creating killer ads. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.